At the crossroads of this new trajectory into an ascended and enlightened state, humanity is asked to use your own discernment and your own operating system. The body is by far the best and the most profound compass that you can use to advise yourself of your action steps and your choices to evolve with your soul and the evolution of humanity, rather than to overload or to amplify the weight of importance of peers, government officials, or outside perspectives who may have a vested interest in persuading you or swaying you to either one direction that fits their personal narrative. The easiest way to know if your body's intelligence is able to guide you is if you are in a space of stillness, presentness, and full belonging. And for me, they're reflecting sort of like being embodied, being in your body, not in your head, as well as the nervous system regulation required. You are also cautioned that the misuse of any narcotics, prescription medicine, or otherwise may influence your intuition to a frequency that your body's awareness or radar would otherwise not be leading you to.